The Nokia 6.1 Plus has just launched in India and we happen to have a unit with us. Let's do a quick unboxing and take a look at some of its specs. Now the box itself follows the same design as the other phones we've seen from HMD Global. On the back, it has some of the basic specifications about the screen, camera, processor, and more. But we'll get to those in a bit. We'll get straight into what's inside. Up front is the phone itself, neatly wrapped in plastic. We'll boot it up and keep it aside for now. Right under is the SIM eject tool. Then comes a quick start guide. Now let's open the box that's neatly kept on the side. It comes with a charger, a USB Type-C cable, and finally a pair of bundle earphones. Here's a look at everything you get in the box. The new dual SIM Nokia 6.1 Plus runs stock Android 8.1 Oreo and sports a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus display that's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The smartphone is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC and is coupled with 4GB of RAM. The phone bears a dual rear camera setup with a 16-megapixel primary sensor featuring an f2.0 aperture, while the secondary 5-megapixel monochrome sensor sports an f2.4 aperture. The rear setup features a dual-tone flash module. Now on the front, the smartphone bears a 16-megapixel sensor coupled with an f2.0 aperture. There is 64GB of inbuilt storage on the Nokia 6.1 Plus, which is expandable via microSD card. All this is juiced by a 3060 mAh battery coupled with fast charge technology. The Nokia 6.1 Plus price in India has been set at 15,999 rupees and it will be available via both Flipkart and the Nokia online store from August 30th. So that is a quick unboxing and first look at the brand new Nokia 6.1 Plus. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.